Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a kind man with his sweet daughter, Lily. They were very happy until one day, the man decided to remarry after his wife had passed away. The woman he married was beautiful, but had a heart as cold as ice. This new stepmother seemed nice at first, but after moving in, she began to show her true colors. She was jealous of Lily's kindness and beauty. The stepmother had a daughter of her own named Iris. Unlike Lily, Iris was lazy and rude, but the stepmother loved her dearly. She always gave Iris the best food, the prettiest dresses, and let her do whatever she pleased. But Lily was treated very unfairly. The cruel stepmother made her do all the chores around the house, washing the dishes, cleaning the floors, and taking care of the animals. While Iris played all day, Lily worked from sunrise to sunset. Despite the hard work, Lily never complained. She stayed kind-hearted, and this made the stepmother even angrier. One day, the stepmother decided to get rid of Lily. She sent Lily deep into the forest, saying, "Go fetch me a bucket of water from the magic spring, and don't return until you've found it." The truth was, there was no magic spring, and the stepmother hoped Lily would get lost in the dark woods. Lily, being brave and obedient, set off into the forest. She walked for hours, getting tired and hungry, but never gave up hope. Along her journey, she met a kind old woman sitting by a small cottage. The woman asked, "What brings you here, my dear?" Lily explained her situation, and the old woman, who was really a fairy in disguise, felt sorry for her. The fairy gave Lily a magical pebble and said, "This will guide you to the magic spring you seek. But remember, always be kind, no matter how hard things get." Lily followed the pebble's glow and finally found the magic spring. After filling her bucket, she returned home, only to find her stepmother shocked. The cruel woman couldn't believe Lily had survived and found the spring. Furious, she sent her daughter Iris to the same forest, hoping she would gain magic riches from the fairy as well. However, Iris was rude and demanding to the fairy when she met her, refusing to show any kindness. The fairy, unhappy with Iris's behavior, sent her back empty-handed. From that day forward, the stepmother's plan to harm Lily failed, and the kind girl lived happily ever after. The cruel stepmother and Iris, however, were left to learn the importance of kindness and humility. And so, the lesson is clear: kindness and bravery always win in the end, while cruelty leads nowhere.